In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in Go High Level. Whether you're managing clients or organizing contacts, tagging can help you keep everything streamlined and accessible. Let's walk through these steps together so you can understand the process thoroughly and put it into practice. To begin, open your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you typically use. Once it's up and running, go ahead and type Go High Level into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official website, which is usually listed under www.gohighlevel.com. Click on this link to navigate to the site. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials carefully. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it just below the login fields. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub for navigating all the features Go High Level has to offer. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You should see a menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new page, where you'll need to find the section titled Tags. This section is dedicated to managing all your tags effectively. Once you've located it, give it a click. Now that you're in the tag section, let's create a new tag. You should see a button titled Add New Tag or simply New Tag. Click this button to begin setting up your tag. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your tag. Naming your tags clearly and logically is essential, as it will make them easier to find and manage later on. Take a moment to think of a suitable name that aligns with the purpose of the tag you're creating. After you've decided on a name, it's time for one last step. Look for the Create button. By clicking this, you finalize the creation of your new tag. Congratulations! You've just created a tag in Go High Level. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Regularly review and update your tags to reflect any changes in your workflow or organization. This will ensure that they continue to serve their purpose and make your work more efficient. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily create tags that will help in organizing your Go High Level workspace. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide both informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. See you next time.